Welcome to DIY and Tech. Today in this video I'm going to unbox and review the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 instant camera. We'll explore the features and other aspects of the camera, so stay tuned. The packing is good, which can protect the camera from any minimal impact. I bought this instant film with this camera, which you can use with Instax Mini 11 and 9 as well. So let's unwrap it. Once you have opened, you can see one caution note which states that do not open the back cover until you have used up the film, otherwise the rest of the film will be exposed in light and it will burn all the films. Now let's get inside the box. In the box we'll get camera, AA size batteries, shutter button accessories, strap, caution note, shutter accessory installation note, user manual and warranty card. This is the camera it looks, and this is made of plastic. The weight of the camera is 293 grams. First thing first, let's insert the batteries into the camera. Open the lid of the battery panel and be cautious to put the battery in the proper way, which is just positive in the positive side and negative in the negative side. Already you can see that thing inside the panel. And insert the batteries, then close the lid. So there is a button where if you press it will turn on the camera and light is on. You can see a mirror kind of thing. I think this is used for selfie, and we can see the selfie mode over the lens. To turn on the selfie mode, hold the lens like this and pull the lens by your another hand like this, and your selfie will turn on. So as of now I'm closing this and the camera will turn off. The lens is around 5 megapixel and the zoom you can make 0.37x, which is like you have to pull the selfie camera on, and it's for the shorter distance where you can the size is 30 to 50 centimeter from the object to the camera lens. This is an Instax Mini film, and let's unwrap it. After that we'll install this film inside the camera. The film looks like this, and you can see there is a yellow mark over here, which may be something to denote how to install or something like that. It's pretty similar, I think, to the older version of the real cameras, and yeah, as we can see there is a yellow mark. So you have to match those marks and just put it like this and close the back lid or back panel, and you can see there's S, which means start. So in one reel you can take 10 pictures or 10 snaps. This is the shutter button. Now we'll click one pic. Let's see how it comes. So once you have clicked, the first print is completely blank, which looks like this. I keep it aside and then I'll take another one snap with selfie off. Now it's printing. This is the first film of this camera. So wait for a minute to develop the film because it will take some time, I think few minutes to develop the film. And we'll see how it will look. As you can see that the film is developing very slowly, and I have taken a snap of Buddha statue or sculpture. As time progresses, we can see the film is developing very slowly, and I think the picture is the snap is little bit hazy, little bit blurred because the selfie was not turned on, I think. And I also noticed that the object is moved little bit right hand side on the snap, but I took the snap with a straight line with the object in center. This is the object. Now we'll take another one snap with the selfie mode on. To turn on the selfie mode, hold that lens and pull it. Now the selfie mode is on. Now we'll make sure that I am looking from the eye viewer glass to viewfinder to that the object should be in the center, and the picture comes out. Let's see how it looks, or how it will look after developing. And you can see there are 8 films are left, 8 plus 2, total 10. Here in one Instax Mini film, you can take 10 snaps. The print size is 54 millimeter in width and 86 in height. Image size would be 46 in width and 62 in height. Wait for a few minutes to develop the print, which I have taken with the selfie mode on. So as I can see, it's developing and it comes little bit clear compared to the last one, as because I have turned on the selfie. It's a fun camera. You cannot expect a DSLR kind of picture quality or the modern mobile picture quality, but it's a fun camera. You can take instant print. It's not bad, it's good. You can see all the details have come, but one thing I have noticed, which was the object moved little bit right hand side. As if you see the viewfinder and the camera lens, which is little bit right hand side, it's not center aligned. That's why the snap came little bit right hand side. So when you took, you have to be adjust little bit and you can take that click. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and some of the DIY videos as well. Thanks for watching.